Today is treat day for reaching 50 subscribers. A pizza and some Sprite. So let's first have the pizza. I'm so thirsty. Let's have some Sprite. Oh my god, what is happening? What is wrong with this bottle? So as you saw that prank, it was a scientific prank. So there were some holes in this bottle around and the cap was closed. So there was no water leaking because no pressure was pushing it out. But when you open the cap, the air comes in and puts some pressure and makes the water come out of the holes. So let's see. There are no leaks. But make sure you don't press it too hard or it will start to leak. You can now open the bottle cap and see. Ta-da! The air pressure is going inside. Now let's lift it and see. Make sure not to lift it too high or it will become messy.